Hello everybody, here we are with our final golden ticket assembly of this autumn term. So I'm going to be looking across every now and then because I've got all the golden tickets written on my computer screen. Okay, so our first one is to somebody in Yangtze class, and it's for Ellis for showing a wonderful growth mindset during our maths quiz this week and not giving up even though it was tricky. Well done, Ellis. That's absolutely brilliant. And I love that kind of not giving up. You keep going. Well done. Okay, next one is for Yara, the other year 2 class. And this is for Sahil for making a huge effort with his handwriting. And Miss Harwood has put, now we can enjoy reading his exciting writing. And I've just been talking to Miss Harwood, Sahil, and she said you've made an absolutely tremendous effort with your handwriting. So well done. Keep it up. Next, we're going to year 1 and Mekong, and this is for Mary. Mary is so creative in all she tackles. Mary gives 100%. Well done, Mary. And again, let's just see if you can keep going. Even right at the end of term, you're giving 100%. That's absolutely fabulous. Okay, up to year 4 now, and we're going to Hudson. And this is for Kaya. And Kaya can always be relied upon to work hard and produce work of a high standard. Kaya, again, just like with Mary, you're giving that 100%. Your work is consistently of a high standard, so absolutely fabulous. All right, now Amazon, and this is for Bella in Amazon class for working hard at home and at school on her learning. Well done for sharing your ideas in class discussions, asking questions, and for your kind, gentle manner. We will miss you, say all of Amazon. Next we go to Rio Grande, and this is for Ishmael for always being respectful and striving to be his best. Ishmael, well done, because it can be difficult at times, but you are striving. You are trying so hard, and that's all that we can ask. Now, I've just got to scroll down a little bit. There we go. Here comes one. It's for Mr. Viskovich for being a wonderful support in many phases across the school and for keeping everyone on their toes during PE. Well done, Mr. Viskovich, and thank you for all your hard work during those PE lessons. Now we're going to Miss Maru for bringing the wonderful world of radio and filmmaking into our school. Thank you for looking after our website and teaching all of us many new media skills, especially me. And finally, our last golden ticket of this term goes to Mr. Farrow for being a fabulous teacher and colleague. Thank you for devoting so many years to Lyndhurst and inspiring so many children. So thank you, Mr. Farrow. We hope you look after your golden ticket and put it somewhere where you can look at it and feel very, very proud. That's it for golden tickets this year. There will be plenty more in the spring term. But for now, well done all of you golden ticket children, and see you all in the new year. Bye-bye.